Hello everyone, this is Adesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about rules of differentiation or derivatives. So if you are willing to learn this topic, then this video is for you. So let's begin. So if u and v are differentiable functions of x, and if first condition is y is equal to u plus v, then according to rule dy by dx, so it will be du by dx plus dv by dx. Order doesn't matter, so it can be exchanged also. Okay, so if it is in addition, then you can directly take separate derivatives. Similarly, second function is y is equal to u minus v, then in this case also dy by dx, so it will be du by dx minus dv by dx. So separate derivatives of both the functions, but in this order matters because it is minus v. Okay, our next function is y is equal to u into v, that is they are in product. So we have considered here u as first function and v as second function. So dy by dx, so it is first function as it is derivative of second plus second function as it is derivative of first. It is easy to remember this way. So first function as it is derivative of second plus second function as it is derivative of first, that is u as it is derivative of v plus v as it is derivative of u. So our next function is y is equal to u upon v, then dy by dx, so it will be second function as it is derivative of first minus first function as it is derivative of second upon second function whole square, and condition is v is not equal to 0, that is v as it is derivative of u minus u as it is derivative of v upon v square. So arrangement matters a lot, so you have to write as it is. Okay, now let's see some numericals based on these four rules. So our first example is based on rule 1. So that is y is equal to 4x cube plus 2x square, then dy by dx, so it will be d by dx of 4x cube plus 2x square. So we can take separate derivatives, like derivative of 4x cube separate plus derivative of 2x square separate. So derivative of 4x cube is 4 as it is because it is constant, and x cube is, so we know x raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1. So x cube will be 3x raised to 3 minus 1. Similarly, derivative of 2x square will be 2 as it is, derivative of x square is 2x raised to 2 minus 1. Okay, so 4 as it is, 3x raised to 3 minus 1 is 3x square plus 2 as it is, and it is 2x. Okay, so after solving we'll get 4 3s are 12, so 12x square plus 4x. So this is dy by dx for addition rule. Okay, so our next numerical is based on second rule, that is if y is u minus v, then dy by dx is du by dx minus dv by dx. So our example is y is equal to 5x square minus 2x cube. So for this case dy by dx, so it will be d by dx, that is derivative of 5x square minus 2x cube. So we can write it separately, that is d by dx of 5x square minus d by dx of 2x cube. Okay, next, so we know that 5 is constant, so we can take it outside. So 5 times d by dx of x square. Also we can take 2 outside, minus 2 times d by dx of x cube. So as we know that x raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1. So it is 5 times x square is 2x raised to 2 minus 1 minus 2 as it is. X cube is 3x raised to 3 minus 1. So this will be 5 into 2x raised to 1 or 2x minus 2 into 3x square. So we can write it 10x minus 3 to the 6x square. So this is dy by dx for subtraction. So our next numerical is based on product rule. That is, if y is equal to u into v, then dy by dx is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Now let's see the example. So y is equal to x square into e raised to x. So two functions are in product. So we can call this as u and this as v, and we can apply this. Okay. So dy by dx. So if this is u and this is v. So we can write as first function as it is, derivative of second, plus second function as it is, derivative of first. So x square as it is, as we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, plus e raised to x as it is, derivative of x square will be 2x. Okay. Now we can take e raised to x common from both the sides. So we get e raised to x, x square plus 2x, which is your dy by dx. So this was based on product rule. So our next numerical is based on fourth rule, that is division rule. So if y is equal to u by v, then dy by dx is second function as it is, derivative of first, minus first function as it is, derivative of second, upon second function whole square, and condition is v is not equal to 0. So in example they have given y is equal to 2x plus 3x square upon e raised to x. So we can see that these two functions are in division. So if we'll consider this whole function as u and this function as v, then we can apply this rule to this numerical. Okay. So what we'll get? So dy by dx, it is equal to second function as it is, derivative of first, minus first function as it is, derivative of second, that is e raised to x, whole divided by e raised to x square. Okay. So now we'll solve this. So e raised to x as it is, derivative of this function is, so it will be derivative of 2x is 2, plus derivative of x square, it is 2x, and 3 means it will be 6 into x, as 3 2s are 6, minus now this function as it is, that is 2x plus 3x square as it is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x itself, whole divided by e raised to x square. Okay. Now we'll solve this further. So what we'll get? So dy by dx, so it will be e raised to x as it is and e raised to x as it is. So we can take e raised to x common. So what is left is 2 plus 6x. So 2 plus 6x minus 2x. Now plus minus becomes minus, so it will be minus 3x square. Okay, so minus 3x square whole divided by e raised to x square. Now e raised to x and 1 e raised to x gets cancel out. So what is left is dy by dx. So it is equal to 2 6x minus 2x. It is 4x minus 3x square upon e raised to x. So this is our dy by dx according to fourth rule. Hope so all your concepts are clear. Do like and subscribe to Only Mathematics. Thank you.